So good morning, esteemed investors. Thank you for joining us to explore a prime investment opportunity by the Walt Disney Company. Disney, founded in 1923, operates across entertainment, sports, and experiences. Headquartered in Burbank, its mission is to entertain, inform, and inspire people around the globe through the power of unparalleled storytelling. And its vision is to be one of the world's leading producer of entertainment and information. Disney operation is segregated into three parts. One is entertainment, sports, and experience. Its 2024 revenue is $91.36 billion, which outpasses the Netflix and Warner. Disney's major acquisitions are the Jim Henson Company, the Pixar, Marvel Entertainment, the Lucasfilm, and the 21st Century Fox. Disney's capital structure is very solid, of $105.52 billion in equity and $43.71 billion in debt, with a low debt to equity ratio of 0.41%. So coming to the financial position, by the theme parks and the streaming, net income is $49.72 billion in 2024, recovering from a dip of 2022. Here we can see the share position of the company along with its competitor. Let's see the ups and downs of the market. In 2020, there was a great rise because of the streaming boom that was happening due to the COVID. And in 2021, there was a peak because the park got reopened after the COVID. In 2022, there was a huge decline because of the streaming losses that was happening. In 2023, there was a lot of volatility because of the restructuring and the lawsuits that was caused. In 2024, there was a recovery period where the profitability and the cost control was seen. So coming to the POTUS 5 matrix, Disney has a high rivalry and a strong buying power due to its low switching cost. Disney's weak entry and barriers and supply power plus moderate gaming threat favor its position. So coming to the vertical trend analysis, cost of sales has decreased, gross profit has remained same for over the 5 years, selling and distribution cost has remained consistent. Profit before tax has increased in 2024, showing stronger margins relative to the revenue. And taxes are smaller portions of the revenue, shown an increase in 2024 relative to the prior years. Now coming to the horizontal analysis, cost of sales has decreased, gross profit grew with a continued positive trend from prior years. Selling and distribution cost has increased, profits before tax has a significant 58.4% increase in profit before tax in 2024, following a decline in 2023. Here we can also see the free cash flow statement where the equity is 70% and there's only 30% of debt, and the free cash flow is $8.559 billion, which easily covers the GBP 10 million loan with the funds for the growth. Here we can see some legal disputes. So first one is the wrongful dead lawsuit. The next one is the Florida government dispute, copyright claims, gender pay discriminations, and these are the cases still going on in the court. And these are the research analysis where the analysts suggest for the strong buy for the Walt Disney Company, and the share is expected to cross $126.30. Now let's see why to invest in the Walt Disney Company. Investing in Disney is a low-risk, high-reward opportunity with a 5-year term plus 5% annual interest rate. This loan is funded for streaming expansion and the park enhancement, backed by $8.56 billion free cash flow statement covering the loan multiple times. Recommendation from my side is equity financing, leveraging $105.5 billion equity to avoid interest cost and dilution risks. Now let's see what the investor gets. A stable 5% annual return with principal repayment by 2030, exposure to Disney's project like 5 to 7% 15% revenue growth through 2027 and invest in a beloved brand with global culture and impact. So the major takeaway is this: GBP 10 million loan offers security written with exposure to Disney's growth. Disney's 4.972 billion net income and $8.56 billion free cash flow and $105.528 billion equity ensures loan repayment, streaming and power growth backed by 115 analyst target promise I rewards. Risks are minimal, mitigated by financial strength and diversification. A GBP 10 million loan to Disney delivers 5% returns with the security of a global leader. Join the syndicate loan to fuel the Disney's next chapter and share in its success. Let's partner to invest in a brand that inspires millions worldwide. Thank you very much.